Ever see someone break rules without consequences and wonder how they do it? Yeah, that's when we say they get away with something. Today, you're learning this super common expression plus workplace vocabulary about fairness and accountability. Let's jump in. Part 1. Listening practice. Listen to this conversation about workplace fairness. Did you notice what happened during yesterday's team meeting? No. What occurred? Jessica submitted her report 3 days late, but she didn't receive any criticism. Seriously? How does she consistently get away with missing deadlines? I suspect our supervisor has a preference for her work style. That seems really unfair. When I'm late, I immediately get reprimanded. Same situation for me. But Jessica excels at providing convincing explanations. Perhaps I should develop that skill too. Alternatively, you could simply meet your deadlines on time. Fair point, though occasionally I wish I could get away with small mistakes too. Don't we all feel that way sometimes? Part 2. Vocabulary time. Let me explain these workplace expressions. First, get in trouble. To face consequences or punishment for doing something wrong. Example, students get in trouble for cheating on exams. Next, get away with. To avoid punishment or consequences for wrongdoing. Like, he got away with speeding because there were no cameras. Then, make excuses. To give reasons, often invalid, to avoid responsibility. For instance, stop making excuses and take responsibility for your actions. Also, reprimand. To formally criticize or scold someone for mistakes. Example, the manager reprimanded him for unprofessional behavior. Finally, preference. Favoring one person or thing over others, like teachers shouldn't show preference to certain students. Grammar note. Get away with is always followed by a gerund or noun. Correct, he got away with lying. Incorrect, he got away with lie. More examples. They got away with cheating. She got away with the crime. Oh, repetition is essential. Watch this multiple times and practice speaking aloud. Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Answer these questions confidently. What did Sarah talk about? Yesterday's team meeting. She talked about what happened during the meeting. Did Tom know what happened? No, he didn't. He asked what occurred. Who submitted the report late? Jessica. Jessica submitted her report late. Did Jessica get criticized? No, she didn't. She didn't receive criticism. How late was Jessica's report? 3 days. It was 3 days late. What does get away with mean? Avoid punishment. It means avoiding consequences for wrongdoing. Why does Jessica get away with it? The supervisor prefers her. Sarah suspects the supervisor has a preference for Jessica. Does Tom think it's fair? No, he doesn't. He thinks it's really unfair. What happens when Tom is late? He gets reprimanded immediately. Does Sarah face the same situation? Yes, she does. She gets reprimanded too. What is Jessica good at? Making excuses. Jessica excels at providing convincing explanations. Does Tom want to learn that skill? Yes, he does. He said perhaps he should develop it. What did Sarah suggest instead? Meet deadlines on time. She suggested meeting deadlines rather than making excuses. Does Tom agree that's fair? Yes, he does. He said, fair point. Part 4. Shadowing practice. Repeat with natural workplace tone. Did you notice what happened during yesterday's team meeting? Jessica submitted her report 3 days late, but she didn't receive any criticism. I suspect our supervisor has a preference for her work style. Same situation for me, but Jessica excels at providing convincing explanations. Alternatively, you could simply meet your deadlines on time. Don't we all feel that way sometimes? No. What occurred? Seriously? How does she consistently get away with missing deadlines? That seems really unfair. When I'm late, I immediately get reprimanded. Perhaps I should develop that skill too. Fair point, though occasionally I wish I could get away with small mistakes too. Excellent work today. Get away with is crucial for discussing fairness, rules, and consequences in English. Use it when someone avoids punishment they deserve. It's common in workplace conversations, news discussions, and everyday situations. Practice until it's natural. Watch this daily. And remember, understanding expressions about fairness helps you navigate workplace culture better. I'm Vey from English Mastery Podcast. Keep learning these essential workplace phrases, stay fair, and your professional English will shine. See you next time. Keep growing.